Hey guys, welcome back to electronicsinnovation.com. It's been a while since I have uploaded last video in the channel. I have been working on some new trending technologies and exciting projects. That's why I'm not able to spare some time to make a video. Sorry for that. You will get a video by the next week. Now I'm here to share an exciting announcement with all of you. It's nothing but a brand new logo for the channel. Presenting you the brand new logo of electronicsinnovation.com. Please share your feedback on the logo in the comment section. Also guess what could be the theme behind this logo and comment below. I will select 2 members from the comment section and give you these t-shirts. One most liked comment and one best guess of the theme will receive these t-shirts. You can like or comment until 11:59 p.m. of June 15, 2021 and the final results will be announced on 16 June 2021. Note, these t-shirts are unisex. Anybody can wear them. So please share your feedback in the comment section and get these t-shirts.